Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we have an update on SafeMoon. SafeMoon has been exploding over the past month or so, but as of late we are seeing a very nice ascending trend with this one. Okay, we're on the up with SafeMoon, so we're going to give you all the latest news around SafeMoon and where we can expect this one to go maybe in the coming weeks. If you appreciate these updates, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. That really is appreciated. We have a free Discord, and if you want to join the Patreon, I post exclusive videos, live streams, and access to my buys and sells. Link to that is in the description below. So let's get into this. Let's talk about SafeMoon. This cryptocurrency has just hit over 1.7 million holders. Okay, it's actually now almost 1.8 million. This is just taken off. Literally, last time we spoke about this, it was 1.5. We've already jumped up considerably. And the market cap now is pretty much doubled, okay? We're over 4,600,000,000. This is absolutely insane. It is on the up, okay? Why is it on the up? Well, that's what we're going to get into in this particular video. We currently have about 413,750,000,000 tokens burned, okay? There's a lot of tokens getting burned as well right now, which is good. It means the supply is going to be coming down. Therefore, hopefully, there's less supply out there. The demand will be a lot higher. Therefore, the price will be a lot higher. At the time of recording this, we have 0.50974. It might look slightly different on the screen from when I saw this, but yeah, 0.50 here. Incredible prices right now, which has shot up considerably. We look here over the last 7 days. You can see this trend is just going up and up and up. We are suddenly going back up. If I quickly very much take you back to a month ago, the 1 month graph right here, you can actually see this was at all-time highs when it went up to about 0.4014. It's incredibly less than a penny, nowhere near a penny. 4 zeros, okay, 1.4. That was its highs, and it considerably dropped down. It actually went all the way down from those highs to around about 0.504, and now you can see we have slowly started recovering in the last 7 days alone. Really, this is the 7-day chart. You can see slow but steady we are gaining momentum. We are on the up, maybe to do with Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live. This is not Dogecoin, however it seems to follow trends of Dogecoin right now. Okay, they are kind of both along the same. There's a lot of hype around both these cryptos out there right now. It is gaining momentum, and they have been getting listed on more and more different exchanges. SafeMoon have been promoting lots of things. They've got their SafeMoon wallet as well coming out. Lots of exciting things going on with SafeMoon. Not to mention that still SafeMoon is the #1 most viewed cryptocurrency. You can see beating Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And Shiba there is slightly climbing up the ranks in #2. But SafeMoon is still sitting firmly in position #1. And the current volume on this one as of yesterday was 174 million. You can see that's pretty much increased. We had 175 the day before, and that's increased drastically from 66 million, 37 million, okay? We've pretty much almost 3 times that amount, okay, which is absolutely insane. The volume is increasing. That's why the price of this cryptocurrency right now is going up. Let's go into their Twitter, because they have been very, very active, giving us lots of updates over the past few weeks. First thing which really see the start gaining momentum was this tweet here. Incredible, SafeMoon now has more watchers on CoinMarketCap than Bitcoin. That is a big task right there to get that, because Bitcoin is by far the #1 cryptocurrency in the world. So SafeMoon having more watchers following this one, looking at this one, potentially getting into this one than Bitcoin, that is a big thing for sure. It was also trending, 127,000 tweets on just a couple of days ago, which once again is giving us more momentum and more publicity, getting people potentially investing into this. And then we have the small things that matter. This is their SafeMoon wallet. It's pretty cool. You've probably seen this by now, but I'm going to pull it up on the screen, okay? 10-second hold. I love this feature. 10-second hold. If you've accidentally made a purchase in this crypto, you have 10 seconds to cancel it, which is a very good feature for sure. You know, you can't be making any dodgy mistakes. Nobody can accidentally be pressing things, which is great. And then we also have this. Simplify your transactions by saving your regular contacts within the SafeMoon wallet. Much easier, safe, quick, and accessible. Great things to come for this one. That's why they're bringing out lots of momentum, lots of hype, lots of exciting things coming out. Tweet after tweet as well from this company. Very good at keeping us informed with what is exactly going on with this crypto. And with all of these good things, we then hit the 1.7 million holders just literally yesterday, and then they put a very nice rocket. Clearly they're going up to the moon, which is where at the moment it seems like it's going that way. It definitely seems a bit unstoppable, but you must remember, okay, these are so volatile, so speculative. Just as quick as this is going up, it can come back down. So make sure you are wary of that. You know the risks when investing or buying into a crypto. Just got to put that one out there. Top of all of this, they also have launched a merchandise. You can see hoodies, face masks, joggers. This is already on their website, which we spoke about before in previous updates, but now they're promoting it as well. Going to give them more money, more, once again, more publicity as well. Imagine people walking around in the merch. I don't know if you're going to buy a SafeMoon hoodie, but if you are, you know, you're promoting this crypto, I guess, to an extent. But then we had actually a tweet here from the CEO, John Caroni. He said, okay, look at the roadmap, and we are now way ahead of schedule again. We will be updating it shortly. Many thanks to the community and my fellow teammates. So if you actually do look at this roadmap, which is on the SafeMoon website, Q2, which we're currently in, is meant to be the initial push, and this is meant to be the NFT exchange as well as video game integrations and architecting SafeMoon exchange, which they actually have got underway. We will begin expanding the team by 35% and establish a UK and Ireland office as well, and we'll be architecturing a crypto educational app as well as onboarding new partners. All of this is exciting, and as you can see from the CEO there, they are well advanced in what they're currently up to as well. This is great news for anyone holding on to this crypto. And the most recent tweet here from SafeMoon, the last 48 hours have been incredible to see so many new holders join SafeMoon. We are a dedicated team to the project, and most of all, we are dedicated to you. Thank you for the time, trust, and patience, Team SafeMoon. So things are really ramping up and looking exciting right here. John Caroni, the CEO, also put this out: maximum effort always. The team and I are going above and beyond. We believe in SafeMoon, and more importantly to the community. And that was actually in reply to a tweet from Binance, which obviously we know that SafeMoon are hopefully trying to get listed on Binance, which we are still waiting for. And Binance said if you put 2 times effort, what you think is required to achieve something, you will usually achieve it. And no means SafeMoon are definitely putting more than 2 times effort. Following up from that, there was this, Binance actually mentioned SafeMoon just a few days ago, which also did see this one start shooting up. Now, I'm not going to play this video, it's about 20 seconds long, but it talks about SafeMoon on the stream here. So what actually happens is they ask him what's his thoughts on meme coins and SafeMoon. He basically says, I think it's a great thing, but I do have no involvement in SafeMoon. He does say that, but he actually mentions them, which is the first real time we've properly heard him kind of mention them anyway, giving them a bit more publicity, whether you wanted it to be that way or not. That is the way things go. The smallest mention, as we've seen with Elon, he puts one word, Dogecoin or Dogefather, you name it, and it goes up. Speaking of Elon, he's on Saturday Night Live, and there's lots of hype around him potentially talking about Dogecoin. And as we know, it's a trend. If Dogecoin goes up, we're probably going to see SafeMoon go up as well. It's kind of like the stock market. If NEO is up, Tesla is probably up. Kind of similar, okay? They all kind of follow each other. Energy stocks, if they're up, they're all up. If they're down, they're kind of all down. So if Dogecoin goes up, we could be seeing some potential hype here from SafeMoon. But that's no means to say this is definitely going to happen. That is just where a lot of the speculation is coming in from SafeMoon, as well as lots of other things, which is another reason we are seeing this price running at the moment. Another reason for this is I do want to show you is this, okay? The WOWs. The WOWs have been selling. If we actually look at the positions here in terms of percentage holdings, number one is obviously the dead pile here, 41.3%. But then we also have the next biggest ones, 2.8, 4%, 2.5, 2.2. These have somewhat decreased, okay? If the WOWs are selling out, that means there's going to be less volatility in this. Yes, it means the crypto will go down in the short term, but it's good for us in the long term, okay? You want people to have smaller positions in this, okay? That's going to slowly decrease along with some of these other ones as well, which is great. And obviously, if they sell out, the longer that means other people get rewarded, because as you know, when people sell, you get rewarded in the long term. It's going to be really good for SafeMoon, which is another reason, okay? WOWs have been selling. We've seen this as well. We follow a guy on the Reddit called the WOW Watcher right there, and he always posts up, keeps us updated on WOW's action, which is very interesting. Although, do remember, when WOWs sell, you probably will see this slightly pull back. Last thing I want to touch on here is this article here. SafeMoon price has additional room to rise after the 4-day blistering rally. As we know, this is on the upward trend. This is going up and up and up. And this says, after a crash we witnessed towards the end of last month, SafeMoon buyers have returned in the first week of May, showcasing a stellar performance. It goes on to mention about the 1.7 million holders and the SafeMoon tweet that we just touched on. It goes on to mention here that it's targeting the 0.00010 with the 123% FIBO level is taken out. SafeMoon bulls are catching a breath before building strength for another record run, which is what we seem to be happening right now. Immediate resistance is aligned. I won't read that out, but it's 5086. With the Fibonacci at 123%. A daily close above the mentioned resistance could power the bulls to challenge 150%. Things are looking in the right way, okay? Further upside appears elusive as the relative strength index has already sneaked into overbought territory. Slightly more bearish case there, I guess. However, this is definitely looking very interesting for sure. We seem to be on an upward trend, but do remember, okay, same with anything, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever. As soon as these are going up and up and up, at some point, we're going to see this pullback. Just be wary of that, okay? And that's just what I would say. If you're going to look at buying in now, you may be buying in at the highs temporarily, but people are holding on to this one for the long term. For me, okay, Dogecoin here doesn't really have many fundamentals behind it, okay? It is a meme coin at the end of the day. SafeMoon does have some cool fundamentals behind it. So that's just my quick update on SafeMoon. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Do you think this is the highs right now? How much higher can we go? Are we going to get SafeMoon to 1 cent, which some people think it's going to be? That's going to be an incredible market cap for sure. But let me know your thoughts on that in the comments below. And if you appreciate this video, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. That really is appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time,